So many people have asked me about the secret aroma that comes out of my kitchen, as my neighbors are always curious, and many of the viewers requested this special spice mix blend that I always use in my recipes. So I'm going to share my secret garam masala recipe with you guys. So let's get started. So we are going to start roasting some whole spices like bay leaves, and then red chilies. This I have used Kashmiri red chilies, but you can use the normal red chilies, and then dried ginger, and then 3/4 piece of a nutmeg. And I'm going to dry roast this first on low to medium flame until they are crispy and set them aside. Now these spices are very quickly get crispy, so I'm just going to dry roast them separately. So keep them aside, and then in the same pan I'm going to take coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and fennel seeds, black peppercorn. It's a 1 tablespoon I'm using. You can add more if you like more spicy. And then star anise, it's 4 pieces, cinnamon sticks, and cloves. And next we are going to add 4 pieces of mace. Make sure do not add more because it has some sweet flavor to it. And then we are going to take cardamom, and then black cardamom, about 6 to 7 pieces, and then I'm going to dry roast everything on low to medium flame until they are aromatic. So when you start to smell spices and they're nice and toasty, that's what you want to stop, and immediately take it out from the pan. So now the spices have been roasted, so I'm just going to take this out in the plate to let them cool it off. You wanted to make sure that it completely cools before you start grinding it. Now the spices are completely cooled, and as you can see they are very crispy, and it crumbles right when you press it between your fingertips. So now we are going to add kasoori methi. I'm taking 2 tablespoons. It gives a nice flavor to the garam masala. And these cinnamon sticks are too big, so I'm just going to make it smaller pieces so that it can grind easily. So now I'm going to use my grinder, and I have reviewed this in my previous videos, so make sure to check that out. And if you wanted to purchase it, I have a link in the description box. So I'm going to grind it for about 30 seconds, and you don't want it to over grind it because it will start releasing the oils, and if your spices are not cooled off completely, then it will also release the oil. So I just wanted to grind it for 30 seconds, and I'm going to check. So it perfectly grinded it. So now I'm going to sift the garam masala, so if there are any bigger pieces in it, so I can remove them, because we added the ginger, so and that's what you see here. So I'm just going to put it back into the grinder and run it one more time. And right now my whole house is smelling like garam masala, and I'm sure my neighbors will come and ask me again. So here our garam masala is ready. Now you can completely cool it and store it into the glass jar. And if you want to know how much I made it, I just wanted to scale it. Here I have a kitchen scale, and I'm just going to place it and see how much we had. So let's hold the measurement and see how much we have. So based on these measurements, I have made about 292 grams. That's approximately 300 grams of masala, which will last me about 2 months. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you guys next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.